Guys, um, today whichever is going on now. Second page of the use your brain power. Okay, okay. First point is every morning Swarali walk round to edge of a circular field having a radius of 100 minutes as shown in figure 1.2. A. if if she start from the point A and taken one round, how much distance has she walked? And the walk is the her okay. Now look in the first diagram of circle. Okay, every morning Swarali walk around the edge 8 circle her meter. Swarali walks every morning one round of 100 meter. So as she figure 1.2 is start from the point A and talks around the how much distance have a walked and the what is the displacement. You will solve that. I will want to comment box. Okay. Second paragraph is of if a car starting from the point P goes to the points Q, see figure 1.2b. First line said if the car, looking here car B point, huh um, point P, there has two one line to different name of the points P point and Q point. Okay, see the figure 1.2, look there in a figure. Okay, and then return to point P, have much distance have it the traveled and what is the displacement. Just said as you first we go Q point and come to Q point to the P point. So how much distance has the travel and what is the distance travel distance. Okay, first we will do uh, look here car, it is car. Okay, uh this car is gone this way and this way also. So how minutes we travel the distance and displacement. So total we do, first we will do total of this. Which color you want? Purple only take. Okay, 360, that's gone. So come here into this only cast place. So we want the 360. So do total 0, 6, 6, 12 और 7. तो कितने फिर you want, so total distance is 720. So first we will write properly. Okay, 720 है ना, 720 meters. Okay, like now going on, that's even if the distance of displacement of an object is a 0 to actual distance travel by, it may not be 0 when with displacement. In front page we look the distance, what is a displacement. Displacement is a we gone to straight line, that is called as the displacement. Okay, so first also we read even even if the displacement of an object is a 0 to actual distance travel by, it may be not be 0. Second option, what the actual distance, sometimes of the distance traveled, it is a maybe not be zero. Second paragraph we read the speed and the velocity. What are the vectors and the scales? You will solve these questions. I will note down and copy. First, we know the formula of speed. Speed is equal to the total distance travel, the time required. Okay, you learn in the 5 times. So you learn the 5 times. So you remaining every time. So no, for second option, you learn this formula. You stick your here when where you are reading, studying your uh, room, studying room. So stick there the formulas. Okay, if you learn that the distance travel in one distance by an object in a unit times is called as velocity. What is a velocity? The distance traveled in the directions by the object is a unit time is called as the velocity. I will explain the what is the main types in the these definitions. The the distance this common. Okay, first I will tell her distant travel in one distance by object unit time is called its velocity. Easy this definition. Here unit that I will explain in English now. The distance, when the distance travel in a bus anything in the one distance by an object in the unit time. Unit the what is the speed of the traveling in the bus, motorcycles, cycles not, train, and time. So when are you going to the time, we know that. So how many minutes are called as the velocity. Okay, here unit time can be 1 second on minutes, 1 hour, etc. If learn units are the used 1 year, can also be the used as the unit of the time. The displacement that occurs in the unit time is called velocity. Velocity. Velocity is also formalized. It. First, we will what is learn the speed. Where formula. Speed is equal to the total distance travel. When we will travel in any bus or train, so total distance, okay, and divide by time required. And second formula is velocity, displacement and time. You know now what is a displacement? Give me the displacement definition. That's right. Always remember. Always remember. Okay, first point is the unit of speed and velocity are the same in the SI. What is the full form of SI? That's right, system. The unit is M per S. What is the full form of MS? Minutes per seconds. While is the CGS system, it is a centimeter and per second. Second point is speed is related to the distance while the velocity is related to the displacement. Okay, what is there given the speed. Okay, bike bike or bus cars. See, I will draw this. This car. This car speed. What is speed? Speed is related to distance. What? Distance. 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 While velocity. I will explain the what is the velocity definition. What is the definition of the velocity? The displacement that occur in unit time is called as the velocity. That's like children's. Huh. The velocity is related to the displacement. Velocity also that like the displacement. Okay. Third point. If the motion is along a straight line, the value of speed and velocity are the same. Otherwise they can be different. What is the say in the third point? It if the motion, you know now what is a motion? Okay. Oh, if the motion is along the motion, this is a clock. The pendulum clock is going one side to another side. So okay, it is a pendulum clock. Okay, pendulum. It straight. They are going. That's like the this directions. Line is value of speed, and the velocity is same, otherwise they are different. Okay, next line is a downside. Velocity is a displacement that occur in the unit time. Okay. Oh, sorry. We complete here only, or next page? Here only, because some we will read, so we understand what we are teaching. Okay, subscribe and like. Okay, please. I will doing any uh now. Okay.